It's not uncommon to sign up for somebody's program and then the first email that you immediately get has a bunch of links for accessing the program and getting your course information and joining their Facebook group. And I know that I've been guilty of this as well, because in the past, that's what you had to do to get them all of the information that they needed. But HighLevel has actually come out with a new feature called the Client Portal that allows you to send one link to your customer, and it has all of this information and gives them a platform to go on to, and it's a much better user experience. And so I want to show you what this Client Portal looks like when it's all set up and all of the features that are inside of it. And then we'll hop on over into HighLevel, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up for your own agency to give your clients a better user experience as they sign up with your agency. So when everything's said and done, you're going to have a login page that you send all of your clients to, and then once they log in, they're going to be put into this Client Portal where they can access communities, courses, and their affiliate program all in one location. So in communities, as you start to build up a community, then you'll be able to see all the discussion, all the learning, and all the people inside of that community. And so this is pretty much like a Facebook group, but instead of needing to leave HighLevel, all of this is going to be accessible straight from HighLevel. So that's the communities portion of it, and you can see all of the courses that are offered from the agency you signed up under, and then you can also access the courses that you have access to. And so as an agency owner, if we're wanting to sell multiple courses, but someone only has one course, then in all of their courses, they would see all of the different courses that you offer and the price points that you sell them for, or they could just access the courses that they have and start learning. So with my agency, I've actually got 3 courses that I offer for free to all of my affiliates. So I've got the SaaS Agency Secrets, this SaaS from Scratch course, and this onboarding course. And you can see that I've taken my face and name and logo off of every video inside of here. And this is a course that I give away for free to all of my affiliates. And if we just click into one of these videos, then click play, my logo's off of here. I don't have my face anywhere. This is just me recording here. And I walk through every bit of what you need for setting up your own clients. But these are the courses that I offer, and it's all accessible from this one location. And then I can also create my own affiliate program, so I can create affiliates that are then going to go out and sell my agency to other people and get paid for doing so. And so when someone signs up as an affiliate under me, all of their dashboard information, their leads and customers, their commissions, and any media that I want to provide them to help them get started is accessible right here. So this is what the Client Portal is, and this is just the beginning. I'm excited to see how this continues to grow as HighLevel puts more focus on the Client Portal. But right now you've got access to communities, courses, and affiliates all from one location. And so instead of needing to send a welcome email with, hey, sign up for the Facebook page, and here's your course access and all of that information, you can just send them one link to the Client Portal, they log in, and everything that they need from you is right here. So now let's hop on over into HighLevel and show you exactly how to get this set up. All right, so now we're in my demo account, and to get the Client Portal set up, you want to head into the Sites tab and then click Client Portal, and the dashboard is going to show you how many users you have and how many people you've invited to your Client Portal. And then the URL for your Client Portal is going to be shown right here. And you can see that right now we've got this impossible to remember URL for our Client Portal. So to change that, we're going to go into Client Portal, Settings, and then click Domain Setup. And once we're in this domain setup, we can customize the subdomain that we want to use for our Client Portal by clicking Custom Domain, and then we can enter whatever domain we want here. So if you've already got a domain that you're using for your agency, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subdomain that attaches to that domain. So my agency is called Pasco Systems, and it's pascosystems.com. So what I'm going to do is create members.pascosystems.com. So Pasco Systems is the domain that I already own, and members is going to be the subdomain that links them to this client portal for my client portal. So you can change this subdomain to whatever you want, but I like members, and then you just have to use a domain that you already own for the root domain here. So members.passcosystems.com, and then you can see that you can set up either an A record or a C name record by going into your DNS records and getting this set up. But one thing to note is that you want to make sure to configure only one of the above. So only set up an A record or a C name record. If you try and set both of these up in your DNS settings, it's not going to work. You're going to get an error. So just do one of these. So in order to do that, you want to head into the domain registrar that you're using. So I use Google Domains. You could be using GoDaddy or Cloudflare or another registrar, but I use Google Domains. So I'm going to go into this and click Manage and then DNS, and all of my DNS records are going to pop up here. You can see that I've already got it linked right here, and it's members.passcosystems.com. But if you need to change this or you're doing this for the first time, then you would just manage custom records and then put the subdomain that you've got. So I chose members. So I would just enter members here, and below this you can see that it's going to be members.passcosystems.com. I chose to set it up with the C name record. So I put in C name here. If you're doing it with the A record, then you would choose A. But I chose C name record and then left it as 3600. And then you want to go back, and depending on which one you're using, I'm using the C name, then you copy this and go back into your DNS records and you paste it right here. And once you've done that, you click save, and now everything's set up as it should be, so we can exit out of this. And then you would click update domain. But because this is my demo account, I've already got this set up in my main account, so we're gonna head over there right now. And now that we're in my Passco Systems account, you can see that it does say members.passcosystems. Click update domain, and domain setting is updated. Again, if you get an error message there, make sure that you just chose one of these instead of trying to do both of them. But once you've got this set up properly, then you can go into settings again and go into branding. And inside of branding, you can customize the sign-in page that they see so that it matches all of your branding and has your logo and your colors and your name and everything to make it look like it's your own custom sign-in page. So you can see I entered Passco Systems. I put everything you need in one convenient location. For the description, I chose my colors. So it's the blue and the purple. I added a favicon and I put my logo here, and then my support email is just my email, and copyright Passco Systems. So once you've got all that information input, then you just click Save Settings. And now we're going to take a look at what a client actually sees when we send them that link that we just created. So to do that, we're going to go into the dashboard again. You can see that this client portal URL changed to match the URL that we created. And we're just going to click this link, and it's going to bring us to this sign-in page where your client just now has to enter their email and a password if they've created a password, or they can log in with a secure code where it's going to send them a secure code to an email that they enter here. But it's got all of the information that we just put here. It's got my logo here, the name here, the description that I put, my email. It's got that copyright down here and the favicon that we created. And one thing that I have noticed as I've played around with this is if you just click this portal, if you're already logged in and you haven't logged out from the portal, then it may give you this blank white screen. And so to get around that, you may just have to put /login, and then it brings you to this login page. I don't know why it does it that way, but if I log out of my account and then click that link, it brings me to this login page. But if I'm logged in, it seems that there's an error currently where it just brings me to a blank white page. So I need to type in login after it, and then it brings me to this login page. And then when I enter all my information correctly, then it brings me into the portal where I can see everything. So if you're having trouble with the link that you're sending to your clients, try changing it to the URL that you set up and then put /login at the end of it. And it should bring them to this page, and then they shouldn't have any issues logging into their account. And again, if they don't have a password set up, then they can just log in with a secure access code, enter their email, it'll send them a password, and then they can log in from there. And then once they log in, it has all that information that we went through at the beginning of this video. It's got all the courses that they have access to. If you've created an affiliate program, then it has all the information they need there. And it's got a community, so instead of needing to go to a Facebook group, you can create your entire community right here inside of HighLevel, and everything's in one convenient location for your customers. And so once we're logged in, you can actually, once again, see all of the courses that I have access to. But if I wanted to change this as the agency owner and either grant access or take away access manually, I can actually go into the account, search for the contact that I'm looking for, click into their contact information, and under offers, I can select offers if I want them to have other offers, or I can see what they've already got access to. And if I wanted to take the SaaS from scratch away, so they only have access to the onboarding tutorial or SaaS agency secrets, then I can do that. And then when we go back into the client portal and reload it, so I'm just gonna click courses again, then this is gonna reload, and you can see that now they no longer have access to SaaS from scratch. So if they go into my courses, they only see the courses that they have access to. But if they're showing all courses and you want to be able to sell other courses that you have that they don't yet have access to, then this is a great way to do it here, because now they can see that you offer other courses and the price that you're offering them for, but they don't yet have access to them. So if I clicked into here, then it's going to bring me to the page. So this is the actual SaaS from scratch course that I offer, and it brings you through everything you need to create your own successful SaaS agency, from selecting a name and domain to getting your email verified and DNS records set up, getting snapshots installed, Stripe set up, getting everything set up, and then brings you through prospecting and giving customers a place to go so you can set up your landing page and websites, and then create your marketing material and create all the automation you need for your SaaS agency. Set up your Facebook for your business account, your business manager, ad account, business page, pixel setup, and then create your own course so that you can start sharing your knowledge with your clients. So all of this is offered inside the SaaS from scratch course that I offer, but you can see how if you click inside of here, now they could buy this for $197. So this is just another way for you to sell your courses through this client portal. Or if you're like me, I offer all these courses for free to my affiliates. But if you don't sign up as my affiliate, then you can get these courses for a very reasonable price. But this is how the client portal works. It's just HighLevel bringing everything to one convenient location for your customers. And so that's what the client portal is and how you get it set up. It's super easy to set up, takes only a couple of minutes, but I wanted to create this video and show you exactly how to do it. And I'm very excited to see what HighLevel does with this in the future, because you can see that it's pretty basic right now. It's got the affiliate information, course access, and access to communities, but there's so much that they could do this. So I'd keep an eye on this feature of HighLevel. I'd get yours created now and then just keep checking in on it, because I have a feeling that there's multiple versions that are going to come after this that are going to have many updates along the way, and they're just going to continue to add features to this client portal. So take advantage of this now. Make it so that your customers only have one link to click when you send them that intro email. Get them signed up and then give them access to everything in one convenient location. So I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next video.